everyone. Today, Baba and I are going to Eggfest, which is one of the biggest agriculture festival in Australia. To avoid the traffic, we got up at 4-5ish.
No, we did not. That's a lie. You rolled out of bed at 5.
No, that's not true. I woke up at 4:33.
And then rolled out of bed at 5.
That's not true. No, I woke up at 4:33. And then I stayed in the bathroom, did a shower, and some makeup until 6. That's it. So yeah, I made it.
Just.
Agree? Yes. You agree? Are you at Eggfest now?
Yeah. Come on, yeah.
Okay. Oh, yes, please. Thank you. Got the bag. Well, we are getting a cup of coffee now.
Yeah.
Food stalls. Coffee.
Hat on square.
Yes. You look very cute, very handsome.
I'm gonna have these filthy by the end of the day.
What are you doing?
Oh, I think
Well, they're not. They're
Sir William's calling.
Okay.
Hello, William. Where are you?
You're gonna pay just over $1,000 for my drink. Like, I don't see the economics don't work out. But it is as a strange thing, like, you know, if you're doing less than 5 jersey right now.
This is so cool.
Yeah, if you want to do that. Sorry?
I have to do that.
And with the first-hand quality and innovation that Gas Machinery has to offer.
That is.
same OS.
Yeah.
We don't have Leica. We've got Trimble, the other yellow brand. The yellow brand that isn't more expensive.
I don't know if it is more expensive.
I thought Trimbles were like high 80s.
High 80s.
Yeah.
That's maybe 55, and that's tier 16.
Yeah.
Just yellow.
Yeah, so I thought Trimble was more expensive.
I don't think they are.
Oh shit.
Everything costs the same. Just gotta negotiate. So we did. We're looking at this we're actually getting
Oh yeah.
but
I was like I'm about to throw like stuff like. No, I don't.
Yeah, I understand. I was like,
Yeah, it's range of steel equipment that they have on site here. They have steel chainsaws, blowers, trimmers and much, much more. Fair dinkum prices with huge giveaways. Come see ACB and Taz chainsaws and mowers at Agfest. Corner of Main Street, 7th Avenue.
Make sure you visit the Dairy Pavilion, located on South Street at site number S38 of the Agfest grounds, and chat to the Friendly Dairy Tag team. Find out more about how Australian dairy farmers are committed to producing dairy food, providing the best care for animals, and supporting dairy workers and communities. There is plenty to see and do, so come down to site number S38 today.
Tip,
Yes?
powered wheelbarrow for the garden.
Oh, nice. How does it work?
It's just a powered wheelbarrow.
Oh, okay.
You put the batteries in it, it like moves for you. So you can put your bloody pots on here and take them for a walk.
Don't call them bloody pots. They're very nice pots.
Come on. I think Peter wanted me to look at
So like how each of us is
If block
slightly like I've got the RMs, she's got the RMs, Tip has a flanny.
Oh, right.
wearing black denim as well.
She's also wearing black denim. Is black denim an accent? Denim in general. That's correct. Maybe it's more of like a late.
Lately I've been losing sleep, dreaming about the things that we could be. Lately I've been playing hard, said no more counting dollars, you'll be inside.